A person said that staying hungry and sleeping on an empty stomach is nothing new for me. I belong to a poor family. It has happened to me many times that I've slept on an empty stomach, so I'm used to it. So in such a situation, when everyone gets nervous and worried, I remain calm and think of a way out of such a situation in a sensible way. Because such a situation is not as painful for me as I have faced in my life. I've become capable of enduring such situations. So from this, we learn that when difficulties come in life, they help us grow from within. Problems are like a training for you which trains you to live a tough life. They make you mentally and emotionally strong in every way. They make you capable so that if such a situation arises in life in future, you can face it, fight it bravely and win it. So problems make you capable and competent and give you gifts. So do not worry too much when problems come. Value them. Think that whatever you will learn from this, whatever you will become mentally and emotionally after facing this, it will be very useful to you in the future, and it will definitely be useful. Now let's talk about how the tough times we go through build us up in ways we may not immediately realize. You see, most people shy away from problems, thinking they are setbacks or obstacles blocking their way to success. But the truth is, problems are opportunities in disguise. They are the moments in life that test your strength, resilience, and character. When you come out on the other side, you are not just the same person. You are stronger, smarter, and more prepared for the next challenge life throws at you. Think about it. If life was always smooth and easy, would you really learn anything? Would you ever push yourself to become better, to grow, to develop new skills? The answer is no. It's through the toughest times that you discover what you are truly capable of. You learn patience when things don't go your way. You learn perseverance when everything seems to be falling apart, and yet you find the will to keep going. Problems are not something to fear or avoid. They're like weights at the gym. The heavier the weight, the more effort it takes to lift, but the more muscle you build in the process. Similarly, the bigger the problem, the more strength you gain from solving it. And just like lifting weights, it might be painful in the moment, but you're growing stronger with each lift. There's a reason successful people always talk about their struggles and hardships. It's because those difficult moments were what shaped them. Without those experiences, they wouldn't have developed the grit, determination, and mindset needed to achieve great things. So when you're faced with a tough situation, remind yourself, this is your training ground. This is where you become who you're meant to be. And here's something important to remember: problems don't last forever. No matter how big or overwhelming they seem, they are temporary. But the strength, wisdom, and resilience you gain from facing them, that stays with you for life. It becomes part of your character, part of your mental toughness. So instead of seeing problems as roadblocks, start seeing them as stepping stones. Each problem you overcome takes you one step closer to becoming the person you aspire to be. Now don't get me wrong, it's natural to feel frustrated, angry, or even defeated when problems arise. But the key is to not stay in the mindset. Don't let the weight of the problem crush you. Instead, use it to fuel your determination. Approach every problem with the mindset that this is your opportunity to grow, to become better, and to show yourself what you are truly made of. So the next time life throws you a curveball, don't get discouraged. Embrace the challenge. Tell yourself, this is just another opportunity for me to prove how strong I am. Every difficult situation is like a fire, and you are the metal being forged. That fire is refining you, making you stronger and more resilient. And when you come out on the other side, not only will you have overcome that challenge, but you will also have grown in ways you didn't even realize were possible. You will have developed a deeper sense of confidence, knowing that you can face adversity head on and emerge victorious. And that, my friend, is what life is all about: growing, learning, and becoming stronger with every challenge you face. So don't shy away from problems, face them head on, because each problem is just another step on the path to greatness. Share it with all your friends. If you like the video, please like, comment, and subscribe the channel and press the bell icon. See you in the next video. Wish you all the very best.